Okay. I, again, am rocking you in this huge structure behind me. I'm going to attempt to climb free-handed. Now, our cameraman, Eric, is obviously going to have to come with us, so run it. Now, use this for support. I know you have a camera, but actually stay down there. I don't want that camera falling. As you can see, it's very dangerous, and there's not a lot of things to hang on to. I'm almost there. I can see the top way up there.
I can see the lights.
Okay, I'm right here, but thinking about going over there. Come on. Don't come up here. Walk this way. Alright, now, there's a lot of moss up here. A lot. And, whoa. Alright. I am very high up right now.
What are you going to do? Attempt to come down?
I'll be able to get down. Now,
I'll sort of catch you if you fall.
keep coming this way, dude. Ah!
Can't even see you. I can barely. Oh my god.
Okay. 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 This is a nice sturdy tree. Nice. It's actually really high up here. Really high. I'm coming down over this way. Alright.
Do not try this at home.
One slip.
You're done.
One wrong move. I'm dead. It's very, very hard. It has to be.
One wrong maneuver, and you're done.
Oh my god!
Thank God the brain saved your nuts.
Dude, get this, get this. I just fell all that. Yeah. Did you get me falling?
Yes.
Oh, I think my ear's bleeding. It's okay.
As you can see, this is very dangerous. I am coming up. Okay, maybe I'm not. Too steep.
Did you see that? Oh, is my ear bleeding?
No, but I think like you got a branch stuck in your ear.
Oh, it hurts. Alright, cut it off.